Hi, Joe Cerrone. Welcome to CAD 230, Introduction to Solidworks, and our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Ready. So today we're going to work with Module 4. Module 4 covers shell, extrude, taper, and rib features. Chapter 6. We have this part right here that's a rib feature, and this other part here which uses the shell feature. And then as a bonus exercise, we have this socket wrench. And the socket wrench is really a great exercise if you're looking to improve your SolidWorks skills. If we go under content, and we look at our module 4, we have lab 4A and 4B, and then a bonus exercise. We have a video for lab 4A right here, and a video for 4B. Make sure that you take the quiz for multiple choice and the volume quiz as well, located in quizzes and exams. And then here's the PDF for the socket wrench exercise. It's developed by one of my coworkers out at Elgin Community College. And I always try to put some additional content in there for you if you are interested in working through. I really like this old SolidWorks 2010 book, and I've included the example files for that. But I didn't put those in as bonus. I just put those in there as FYI information for those of you that are looking for ways to improve your skills with SolidWorks. So it goes through these different shell features. It is a little bit older, but I tend to like the older books. They kind of simplify things. Alrighty, back to the main splash page. Here's the drawings that we're working on. I've included a part drawing. If you're familiar with how to create part drawings, they're really pretty cool as far as being able to set up the two-dimensional drawing on a piece of paper. And so, for example, if I was to do that, here's my rib function drawing. And if we were to take a look at this drawing itself, we can bring it back. Start off by creating this extrusion. Then we cut that. Again, features, fill with the whole parts, and then shell the entire feature. And you really don't see the shell until you flip it upside down. And then, for example, if we wanted to make it into a parts drawing, they make drawing from part. I typically use a B size. Again, this is not required. I just wanted to demonstrate where I got the information. Back to the main splash page. Righty, and so we're to create this rib function drawing, and then here's the shell function. This one will take quite a bit of time. Start with the boss extrude, create the fillets for that, cut extrudes, more filleting. Then we finally mirror the part. Some more cut extrudes, additional filleting, and then we finally shell the part. Looks like one of those takeout containers. So that's our assignments for the week. I'm going to keep the meeting brief. If you have any questions, be sure to email me in D2L, and I'll get back to you with any questions or emails that you may have. With that, I'm going to stop the recording and post it in the announcements. This ends our meeting for today.